You and I would not exist because every second chemical reactions are taking place in our bodies. We would not even have the universe without chemical reactions. First off, what is a chemical reaction and how is it different from a physical change? A physical change is a change in substance that doesn't change what the substance is, such as H2O when it becomes ice, then a liquid, and then water vapor. However, in a chemical reaction, a new substance is formed and energy is either released or absorbed. In this example, wood is reacting with fire and burns to make a new substance. In a chemical reaction, only the atoms present in the reactants can end up in the products. But when do we recognize a chemical change is taking place? We can see a change in color, size, texture, odor, temperature, and most changes can be seen by the naked eye. Now let's take a look at a specific chemical reaction I chose to talk about. We have all probably tried this experiment that had to do with baking soda and vinegar. The chemical name for baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaCHO3, meaning it's made out of 1 sodium atom, 1 hydrogen atom, 1 carbon atom, and 3 oxygen atoms. Sodium bicarbonate is a white odorless fine powder and dissolves in water. Vinegar is a mixture of water and acetic acid. The chemical formula for that is HC2H3O2. These are the two reactants. When these two reactants are mixed together, that's when the chemical reaction starts. Baking soda and vinegar react chemically because one is a base and the other is an acid. The baking soda is the base and the vinegar is the acid, and the reaction is extremely fast in solutions and will not require a catalyst. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar is actually two reactions: an acid-base reaction followed by a decomposition reaction. When the two reactants are mixed, hydrogen ions from the vinegar react with the bicarbonate ions from the baking soda to form a new chemical called carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is unstable, and immediately when that happens, it decomposes into water and carbon dioxide.